If you clean your Airbnb and you see something that you think may be a toy, but then you stick your hand on it and it's sticky, it might be a hard candy that was in someone's mouth and it was stuck in the drawer. Gross. That's exactly what happened to me in this story. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And today in this video, I have a story for you guys today about this one time when I was cleaning my Airbnb, and this is going to be a knit with me story time. As you can see, I'm knitting a project right here. And today's knit with me story time is going to be the time I was cleaning my Airbnb and I saw something in the drawer of my Airbnb, which I thought was a toy, but when I stuck my hand in it, it was a Jolly Rancher that had been in someone's mouth. So this is a story about the time I was cleaning my Airbnb and it was a Jolly Rancher that was unwrapped and it must have been in someone's mouth, and I stuck my hand in it and it was in the corner of the dresser drawer of my Airbnb, which was gross. So this is a story just to teach you guys, if you ever are cleaning and you see something and you think it's a toy, please be careful when you touch it because it may be candy stuck to your furniture. So this kind of like irritated me because I assume a kid probably did that, and and it's just like, if you're in an Airbnb and you have kids, you should remind them to throw the candy in the garbage can. Don't remind them not to put it in the dresser drawers, which if you guys did not see any of the tours of my Airbnb, I will link it in the description box down below if you haven't seen it. And sorry, I'm a little bit all over the place. I'm just trying to remember to say everything. So make sure to check out my Airbnb tours. The links will be in the description. So I'm going to get started and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So this all started a couple of months ago. I think maybe was this around the summertime, or was it? I think this was around the summertime. These people had left at my Airbnb around 11-ish or so. And I don't remember if it was a family or if it was a couple, a family with kids, or it was a couple. I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I think they did have a kid with them. And I go and leave and clean my Airbnb. And then I'm cleaning it, and then I go to check the drawers, and I notice there's something in the drawer. So I'm thinking it's probably a Lego or a Lincoln Log from the toys we have. So because we have 2 toys for kids to play with in the Airbnb. And I can't really remember what exactly we have. So I know we have a set of toys. We have some Legos. We have Lincoln Logs in the Airbnb. And I think we have a couple other things. I can't remember whether they're toys we have in the Airbnb. And so as I'm cleaning, I noticed there's something in the Airbnb. So at first I thought it was a Lego, but then when I stuck my hand, it felt sticky. And I'm like, what is that? So I what was stupid of me was I stuck my hand in the dresser drawer with my bare hands and it was sticky. And then I pull it out, and it was a blue raspberry Jolly Rancher that a kid had stuck in the corner of the drawer of my Airbnb, and I thought that was disgusting. And I was like, I'm assuming it was in the kid's mouth. So I don't know why this kid did not throw the Jolly Rancher in the trash can. It was disgusting. I really don't know why these parents did not tell the kid to throw the Jolly Rancher in the trash can, not to put it in the garbage can or in a wrapper and throw it away. I don't know why. It was just really disgusting. And I took a picture, sent it to my mom, and she was like, "What is that?" And I told her it was a Jolly Rancher that a kid had stuck in the drawer. So that part of, I threw the Jolly Rancher away, and then I ended up grabbing my all-purpose cleaner and a rag, and I started like scrubbing the inside of the drawer carefully to making sure I didn't ruin the paper lining in the drawers. And I gave it a couple swipes because I wanted to make sure I got the stickiness out of the corner of the drawer of the dresser, of that drawer of the dresser, because I could not believe I stuck my hand in a Jolly Rancher that probably had been in a kid's mouth. So I was pretty grossed out by that. So I threw the Jolly Rancher away. Then I washed my hands in my bathroom sink. And then I continued to clean the Airbnb, still thinking that was pretty gross that I found that. I texted, and like I said, I texted a picture to my mom so she could see what it was. And I told her it was a Jolly Rancher I found in the drawer. And so basically, luckily I ended up getting the stickiness off. It took me a couple sprays, but I got the stickiness out. And luckily, I never really found a Jolly Rancher in any drawers ever again after that experience. So the moral of the story is, when you're cleaning and you see something and it feels sticky, it's probably candy that's been in a kid's mouth, which is disgusting. And if you stay in an Airbnb and you're a parent and you have your kids, you should probably tell your kids to throw the candy that's been in their mouth in the trash can. Don't let them and watch them to make sure they put it in the trash can. Do not let them put it wherever they want on furniture, because then the Airbnb host has to clean it. And plus it's been in someone's mouth, which is gross. And you never should let kids put candy that's been in their mouths wherever they want. So that was a story about the time I was cleaning my Airbnb and I stuck my hand in the drawer and touched a Jolly Rancher that assumingly had been in someone's mouth. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and tap subscribe.